What's good, traders? I know a lot of you have been waiting for the mobile app release of SwayChat trading platform because a lot of traders spend more time trading and chatting on their mobile phones. So this has been a major concern for several traders who love to trade with Sway Market Forex broker, especially for its several amazing features. So in this video, I will be showing you how to set up the SwayChat Android app and also how to understand and navigate around the app features. And finally, I will be giving you my personal review of the app, right? So just about 24 hours ago, we got the news that the SwayChat Android version has been released and it is available for download on Google Play Store. So if you are yet to check it out, you may do so right away. However, the iOS version is yet to be released, so iOS users need to be more patient and continue to use the web or the desktop version of SwayChat. First of all, you need to be a Sway Market client to be able to use the SwayChat trading platform. So you may click the link in the video description to set up an account with Sway Market right away. And now let us proceed to set up and review the SwayChat Android mobile app. So before we get started, it is important that you smash the subscribe button and also like this video so you do not miss out on any content from us. So, the first thing you want to do on the mobile phone is to open the Sway Market website, and then like I told you earlier, you need to be a Sway Market client to be able to use the SwayChat trading platform. So let's begin. What you want to do next is to click right on the menu, and then you click on the SwayChat option right there. So these are the versions of the app available. We have the iOS, the Android, the Windows, the Mac, and the Web Trader. So the iOS is yet to be released. Hopefully in a few weeks time, the iOS should be released. So we are looking at the Android. So let's click on the Android. You click on the download now under the Android, and you can proceed to download it from the Play Store. So on the Play Store, if you are yet to download, it will give you option to download right there. And if you have it downloaded, you can simply open right there, or you locate it on your phone and you open right there. So I've opened the app and I'm simply going to log in using my fingerprint, and that is a very cool feature of this mobile app. The security is very good. So in this case here, what I'm looking at is the home screen of the SwayChat Android version, and we have the options to set our watch list. I'm looking at the watch list over here, so we have the option to set our watch list. So I have two instruments on my watch list: the pound USD and the euro AUD. And if you need to edit your watch list, you may do that right here. And add up other markets. You can add up other markets right there to your watch list. So instrument has been added, and when you go back, you should find your new instrument. If you trade so many markets, you may do that and add your other market to your watch list. So you simply do that, and then the market will be added to your watch list. So I have this market on my watch list, and the next thing I will talk about is the portfolio right here. When you look at the portfolio, it shows you your orders. If you have open orders, if you have open trades, you would find them with the portfolio. If you want to create a new one, you can also do that. So the position right here shows you the details of the trades that you have taken on your account, and search over here helps you to add new instruments to your trading account. If you want to add a new instrument or a new crypto market, you can search right here from this search option, and you can be able to find a new instrument. So let's go back to the watch list over here and open. Okay, before we open, let's click on the three dots from this top. So when you click on that, you can set up a new watch list, and also you can find your other watch list. So you have your favorite right here. You have this is my default one I love to trade, the blue VIP price. And if you want to create a new watch list, you can do that right here. You can create a new watch list if you would like to do that. And also, if you want to use the default watch list, you can do that also. So let's go back to um let's look at the chat options on the Sway chat mobile phone. So I've just opened the pound USD market, and the good thing about this one here, it gives you a lot of information about the market you have opened. So the first thing you would see here is the chart screen over here. Unfortunately here, the chart screen in this case is very little. It makes it very tough to have a detailed outlook of the market, and makes it very tough to easily understand what is going on in the market because the chart screen here is so little. It's so little. This is really all you get. This is really all you get for the chat screen. So the next option I'll talk about here is the time frame. You have the time frame right here. You can switch between your minutes. You have the M30, the H1, the H4, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. You have all these time frames right at this very place. And the next one here is the portfolio. You can look at your portfolio right there. And over here, you have the chart type. Depends on the chart type you love to look at. You have the bar chart, you have the candle chart, and you have the line chart. So the candle chart is always the default. That is what most traders make use of. And over here, you have the option to use your extra settings. If you love to use indicators and all of those extra features on your chart, you can do that right here. So if you want to use indicators, okay, let me quickly delete this one and set it up again. So if you want to use indicators on your chart, all you need to do here is to click on this plus option at the top. When you click on that option, you are able to find a lot of indicators. If you want to use any other thing, you can simply search for it right here, right? So let's look for the RSI and add it to the chart and see how it looks. So when you find its relative strength index, you simply click on the dots to activate it, and then you go all the way back and tap this tool. So when you go back to your chart, you find the RSI added to your screen. So like I said, the only bad part, the only downside of this is the screen area is very small. It's very, very small. So the other features, okay, let me delete this. Let's close the RSI. You simply turn it off and then you go back. It is out. So the other features here, you have the net profit and loss. If you have trades in your account, you simply have a quick view of your net profit and loss right here. And you have your other details. You have where it says instrument details. When you click on that, you find more details about the markets, the market type, the categories, the currencies, and all of that. And when you click on the trading hours, it shows you when you can trade this particular market. You can trade this particular market from Sunday to Friday. Saturdays the market is closed because this is a currency pair. So Saturdays the market's closed. So the next one here is the overnight fee. If there is any fee to hold this trade, a trade on this market overnight, you find it right there. And the next thing I'll talk about is how to open positions, how to open trades on this app. There are two ways you may open trade. You have the one-click trading, which is at the bottom, the red and the green. That is the one-click trading option. When you activate it, you can use it to open your trades. And you have the trade option at the top right corner, where you can use this also to open your trades. So let's quickly talk about the one-click. When you click on any of these, the red tells you want to sell, the green tells you want to buy. So when you click on the red, it brings you right here, and you can see the sell has been activated. And from here, you can simply set your order type. Your order type, when you click on that, you have extra options. You have the market execution, you have the limit, you have the stop, and this is always the default one. The market execution, that is the instant order, is always the default. So which means you want your trade to be open at the current market price. And the next one you set here is your lot size. This is your option for lot size. So depends on the lot size you want to trade. You set your lot size and you are good to go. And we proceed to the protection orders. So with the protection orders, you have your stop loss, you have your take profit. So to set your stop loss is very simple. You can use your price, your market price, to set your stop loss. Likewise, you can use the pip value. You simply calculate your pips or your points on your chart and use that to set your stop loss right here. So you have two options of setting your stop loss, by price or by point. And that is one very cool features of Sway Chart. And the same thing applies to your take profit. You can set your TP by using the market price or the PEEP value or the point value. You can do that right here also, and you would be set. So after all this, you click on send and your trade will be opened. So let's go on to the top one. The same thing applies over here, just that in this case, you select whether you want to sell or you want to buy, and then you select your order type, you set your lot sizes, you set your stop loss, and you set your take profit, and then you click on send and you are good to go. Your trade will be opened. So that is really how to open trades on the Sway Chart. And let's go on to let's click on the menu options. So when you click on the menu options right here, it shows you details of your account. When you click on the history here, it shows you the history of your trading activities, your trades, your orders. It shows you history about your trading activities. And also you have where it says the account statement. And with the account statement, it shows you details of your account. You can generate account statements right here, and it will be generated and sent to your email, and you will be able to download right there. So the other features I will talk about here is the settings. When you click on the settings, at the top right corner, you see settings. So when you click on settings, you are able to set your security settings you want to use. If you want to use fingerprint, PIN code, you can set it right there. And if you want to activate your one-click trading, you can turn it on right here. And also you can choose your theme. If you want the system default, the light theme or the dark theme, you can choose right here. So this is the dark theme, this is the light theme. So the default one is always the light one. So if you prefer to use the dark theme, you can select it right there and you are good to go. And the other one here, the other features is if you want to log out, you are able to log out from the app right there. So that is really everything about this app. It is really very simple to understand, not so complicated. And my only downside with this app is the chat screen, right? The screen area here is so little. It's so little. You are never going to be able to understand anything by looking at this very little screen area. It is so little to understand anything, right? So I look at this app. Currently, this is just for you to monitor your trades. You need to make your analysis on your other platforms, your desktop version or your web version. You can use that to make your analysis, and you may use this the mobile app here to simply execute your trade or close your trade. That is all you can use this for now. And I hope that in a few weeks time we would have better upgrades come into this mobile app, so we can have a better screen area to analyze and look at the chart data. So that is really everything on this platform. Very simple and easy to use, very simple to understand as well. So let's hope that would get good upgrades on this app to make it very effective. This is the new version, so I believe definitely would get new upgrades. So that is everything for now. And my review of this app would be a 5/10. And I believe it is a new version. So like I said, we look forward to more updates in a few days. So that will be everything on this video. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video for more updates. Peace.